Welcome aboard the 2025 Aquila 54 yacht. Whether you're looking to do some extended cruising or just some day boating, this yacht is designed for everything. Let's step aboard and check out what makes it so special. Thanks for joining me on the walkthrough of this 2025 54 Aquila. If you want some more information or want to schedule a private showing, click the link below or give us a call. We'll see you on the next one.